The exhibit at the Art Institute of Chicago is almost a roadmap of our past, but it also tells you a lot about our future. Georg Jensen was founded in 1904 by a man called Georg Jensen. Georg Jensen actually helped define what we call Scandinavian design. The idea for the exhibition started really with Gordon and Carol Siegel, who are passionate collectors of Jensen through their early days in Denmark. It takes you through all of the history of Georg Jensen. You see pieces that were created that are uniquely Scandinavian in that you're showing the craft in the objects. The Blossom tea set is the first hollowware piece created by Georg Jensen. The first pieces were made in 1905, and it is a symbol of our take on Art Nouveau. It represents nature in a very Scandinavian way. Acorn flatware was designed in 1915 by Johan Roed, almost Georg Jensen's debut in the United States, and since that time, the acorn flatware has been one of the most popular flatware patterns in the US. The history of Picture 432 is that it was designed in 1920, but it was seen as being too advanced for the time. The movement between Art Nouveau and Art Deco made its full transition, and in 1925 it made its debut in Paris. The Pyramid Tea and Coffee Service was designed by Harold Nielsen in 1930, and it marks a pure Art Deco expression for us. You see a machined quality in the basic shapes of it, but all of the details that you see in Pyramid require a great deal of handwork. The Bernadotte cocktail set was done in 1938 by Sigvard Bernadotte. He brought a sense of functionalism to his designs, so while they're very deco, it's part of a functionalist world. The Henning Koppel fish dish is basically the pinnacle of craftsmanship and art in the house of Georg Jensen. In any silver house, a fish dish is the most monumental piece you can make, basically, that still has a function. We began working with steel in the 40s and continued to evolve with it alongside our silver production. This company still makes our silver in Copenhagen, in a smithy here. We will continue to work with silver. We will innovate in steel, always expressing ourselves through the lens of Scandinavian design.